If you own a home in East Menlo Park, this is your market update, and stay tuned till the end because I'm going to give you my predictions to the end of the year moving into 2025. As you can see, since January 2021, pricing has fluctuated a little bit, but overall it's been fairly flat. And that's because inventory has been relatively tight even with the high interest rates. That's kept upward pressure on pricing. So let's move to sale and list price ratio. As you can see, there are some gaps in the data just like I mentioned, but that's because there's so little sales that sometimes you just can't get that information. But right now, homes are generally selling over the asking price. And that's why we're going to take a look at the days to sell chart here. And as I was mentioning before, East Menlo Park has such little sales that just even if one or two homes take more than 30 or 40, 50 days to sell, it will really skew that data. Overall, what you need to know is if you have a home that's priced well and it's nice, it will generally sell in less than 30 days, most likely less than 20 or 15 days. Let's take a minute and let me tell you about my predictions moving into 2025. So in 2025, my prediction is you're going to see interest rates come down even further. The Feds have already lowered the benchmark interest rates, even though mortgage rates have gone up quite a bit since they hit their bottom a couple of weeks ago. I think you'll see continued downward pressure on mortgage rates as time moves on, especially as the Feds continue to lower the benchmark rate. That's going to drive buyer demand. And you're going to see a lot more buyers move into the market come the beginning of the year. What I'm seeing right now is a lot of people are kind of waiting. Not enough to really cause the market to stall or drop or anything like that. There's still plenty of demand, just not as much demand as I think there will be come beginning of next year. Right now, inventory is tight, and most of the buyers out there looking are kind of putting their hands in their pockets and kicking the can down the road till January. That's because of the cycle of the season and it's election year. Generally speaking, during this time of year, you see reduction in transactions, so it's actually a really good time to buy. For sellers, right now, you're seeing anywhere from 0 to 5 offers on a property, so the market's still pretty good. But I think it'll be even better come beginning of next year after the rates drop again. And the Fed's supposed to continue to lower those rates, but we have to keep an eye on inflation, of course. So what does that all mean for you? Well, depends what you got going on. I'd say if you're looking to make a purchase, right now is probably the best time to do that. But if you're looking to sell next year, probably going to be slightly more competitive and you'll get more offers on a property. By the way, if you want a free home evaluation, just click on the link below. And if you have questions, just give me a call.